13. Solve the equations 5x minus 7y is equal to 0 and 7x plus 5y is equal to 74. Let us suppose 5x minus 7y is equal to 0, equation 1, and 7x plus 5y is equal to 74, equation 2. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 7 and equation 2 by 5 for equal coefficients of x. So 5x minus 7y is equal to 0 multiplied by 7, and 7x plus 5y is equal to 74 multiplied by 5. 35x minus 49y is equal to 0, and 35x plus 25y is equal to 370. By subtracting, minus 74y is equal to minus 370, minus minus plus, or y is equal to 370 by 74 is equal to 5. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we find the value of x. 5x minus 7y is equal to 0, or 5x minus 7 into 5 is equal to 0, or 5x minus 35 is equal to 0, or 5x is equal to 35, or x is equal to 35 by 5 is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 5. Answer.